This is part 2 of my road trip to America, and this time I'm heading towards Disneyland, California. I have a couple of good stuff to tell you guys, but let's start off with this first one. We finally hit 1K subscribers on YouTube, guys. This is amazing. And the second one is I'm finally giving a shout out to 5 people, and the only 5 people that I'm giving a shout out to is those who comment down below some interesting stuff, some eye-catching things, something that sounds impressive, and those people who have liked my videos and subscribed to my channel. And also, I will be doing a giveaway once every month on the day 16th, and I will start this giveaway in my next video on Thursday. I will share more details in my other videos, but for now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Just something I quickly had to share in my The Americas Road Trip video. I showed you guys that there was a filming for a movie scene. Turns out it was a Hollywood movie filming scene, and we didn't know that until later we did some research and found out. And this is a scene that we were kind of in. And that's all, let's just head back to the video. My destination for today is Disneyland in California. The one in Florida is Disney World, and we're in Disneyland. There are 2 theme parks in Disneyland. One is Disneyland Adventure and one is Disneyland California. We chose to go into Adventure first, then California after. But unfortunately, we chose only 4 days to be in Disneyland, and that's not enough for both theme parks. So I recommend if you go on both theme parks, then 1 week should be enough, if not more. If you guys are going on one theme park like Adventure or California, one of those, then I think 4 days would be enough, depending on how many rides you would go on each day. And there are passes with the amount of days you want to be in Disneyland for. I recommend that you go in August or September. Those are the times where it's not busy. And when you're parking, make sure you park at a higher level because it's more fun to go down the escalator. And you should definitely park closer to the escalator if you're on a higher level. Then at the end of the day, when you come back up to the escalator, you won't have to walk so far. It gets really hot, and I recommend you pack a water bottle because then you won't be that thirsty and you won't have to buy many things. In the first image you saw an escalator, and that's what we had to use to get down from the parking lot. And now we are waiting for our shuttle. We have to go by the security, then we have to go into the shuttle. What we like to do is we like to sit at the front of the shuttle, and especially at the end of the day, because if you sit at the back at the end of the shuttle, you have to walk all the way, and it's less walking for you, especially if you're tired. At the end of the day, everyone gets tired, so it's better if you guys take the shuttle at the front and use that and not the shuttle at the back, then less walking is included. This is my favorite part. I mean, the rides are too, but this was a start and I loved it so much. After we took that shuttle, we came right into this area and we chose to go into Hollywood Studios. After we took a bunch of pictures, we came right over to this area, and this is where we danced with these people, and they were all super nice. We took pictures with them after. We kept dancing, stopped for water breaks, then kept dancing again. It was just so fun. Lightning McQueen is a character from the movie Cars, and it's a really good movie, and my brother loves it so much, and that's a fun. This character was known as Fandom, and he is in the movie Cars and Lightning McQueen. It was so hot that day, and I was so dumb, and I wore black. Never wear black on hot days because it is more attracted to the sun than any other clothes are. So always wear light clothes, that's better. As you see the buildings behind, they were all related to Lightning McQueen, and this was Afon's favorite spot because he likes the movie Cars. He obviously still does. The car you see back there, his name is Fandom. He is a blue racing car, and he is from the movie Cars and Lightning McQueen. This whole parade thing was actually a surprise. We were just walking by and we just saw a parade coming towards us, and we're like, this is a parade, we should definitely go dance in it. Here are some pictures that we took with the dancers. This was another ride we went on, and this was where we ride these cars, and we get to choose our cars. And this is like a bumper car ride, but you don't exactly bump into each other. We get to ride with our parents and take awesome cool pictures and videos. This was really fun. This is just how it looks when you're in the car. This is just us moving around and spinning in circles, but I think up to 3 people can sit in each car. This is definitely the most funnest park I've ever been to, and this is super fun. This is recommended for a family. You can go together as family, have some fun memories, and it's really nice. Okay, so this part of the roller coaster was really fun. We didn't actually record the whole thing, but we basically get to race with this other family, and now we are headed to these tunnels, and this is all based on Lightning McQueen movies and the movie Cars. As you see around, there's frames and everything. The movie is really good, you should definitely watch it. If you guys like roller coasters, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below any roller coasters you have been on. Walking is a must in Disneyland. And when you're walking, you get tired a lot, and especially when the sun's shining at you. So make sure you have water. You can definitely buy some water, but it's better if you get your own. We all took a bunch of pictures by these billboards, and they were all super nice. This other roller coaster was bigger and it was better. You go up high slowly, and then you go down and you pick up the speed every time. After we went on a few rides, we had to wait for this ride, and this is a Ferris wheel, but it's not the normal Ferris wheel. It moves around every time the whole thing moves around, so that's really exciting and it's really fun. These don't go fast, so it's a nice time to sit and relax and just watch the view.
We have been to that roller coaster.
That's the other roller coaster we went on, and it was really fun.
That roller coaster already.
4 days was definitely not
enough. We
couldn't even go on half of the rides in this park.
This one is the
And we also had to go on the other park, that is Disneyland, California. We were definitely tired after this, so what I tell you to do is make sure you rest between each ride and have at least like a water break, because it gets really tiring every time you go on each ride. This ride is supposed to represent a octopus, I think, and these swings, we get to sit on each swing and we have to make sure the weight is divided. Well guys, that was the end of this video. I will be sure to put up part 3. There is more to my road trip to America. It is super fun throughout the time we went to America. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you guys for 1K. I really appreciate it. It is the best thing. And to celebrate 1K, let's bring out the shoutouts. This time we're going to be doing 5 shoutouts. Mariel's B Vlog, That Good Feeling, and Food Time with Annam, as well as Sir CB and Sultana's Cooking. Thank you guys for commenting on my videos. If you guys want to be a part of my videos, make sure to comment down below. I will once again share all the people that I have given a shout out to in the description box below. Check out my Instagram as well. I will link it down below as well, and go follow me on that and get me to 1K, guys. I'm so close. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!